Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain to you how to use the editor option after uploading YouTube video on your YouTube channel. The editor option is used for how to apply the blurred option, how to apply the cut option, and how to add the audio library and how to add the music from the library, from the YouTube library, and how to add the new clip. So in this video, I will explain these all things. So come to the laptop and open the Google Chrome and click on the Gmail address, Gmail account, on which account you have created the YouTube channel, and then type the YouTube Studio. You can see here, and then click on the YouTube Studio first link. You can see here, and you can check this is the channel dashboard. And now come to the detail option. Click on it. Click on the detail option. You can see here, and you can see, click on the editor option. Click on the editor option. This is the main option. This is the useful option. It is used after the uploading your video. And you can see here that trim and cut option is also available. Blurred option is also available. Audio option is also available. End screen option is also available. So first of all, I will how to apply the trim and cut option. Trim and cut option. This is the cut option. Click on the plus button, click on the new cut option, and you can use, and you can also apply cut option on your video. How to apply it, and you can minimize, maximize the cut option manually. You can see here, I want to apply cut option on this area, and you can also apply the cut option by increasing and decreasing to change the above time slice. You can see here, I added the time slice. You can see here, this is the 51 second. Start from the 51 second. I want to start it from the 30 second and end on the 1 minute. You can see here, it will apply on it, and click on the take button. You can see this one apply from the 30 second to the 1 minute, and you can also delete this one from delete option and edit from the pen option, also available here. And I want to apply another one. Click on the new cut option, and this is the another one cut option. If you want to cut the video from the 1:32 to the 2 minute, you can see here, and you can specify your time, and you can also delete the cut option from this one option. Delete the cut from here. I want to delete this one from the undo option is also available. I want to undo. Click on it. The undo option is used for to go back one step. You can see here, and you can also click on the discard option. The all change will discard by clicking the discard change option, and you can see here the undo option is useful option, and you can use it. And you want to delete again from this delete option, and you can edit, and you can save here, and you can discard this all change. You can see here, click on the discard option. The all change will discard by clicking the discard option. Now come to the blurred option. Click on the plus icon. This is the blurred. You can see here face blurred and custom blurred. I want to custom blur. Click on the custom blur, and you can see custom blur are available in two shape: rectangular shape and oval shape. Which one shape you use? You can use the rectangle as well as oval shape from here, and you can also use the track object and fix blur position option is also available. and edit the time slice. I want to edit this one from 1 minute to 150 second. You can apply this one, the blur option. You can move the blur area from one place to another place. You can see here, and you can also change the blur area from rectangle to oval, and you can also adjust the blurred area, and you can easily adjust and you can easily move the blur area on your sensitive area. You can adjust it on sensitive area on your screen. You can see here, scroll down, it will apply from 1 minute to 150 second. Now you can also increase and decrease the blurred area by this one option, by arrow option also available. The time slice option is also available. You can change the blurred area by moving, expand, and by the time slice. You can change easily by expanding option, and click on the discord change option. The change will discord here. And now come to the audio option. Click on the plus button. There are two audio available: all tracks audio and your library audio. You can see here, these all tracks audio, and this is the plus button. I want to add this one audio on my video. You can see here, it will add depend upon your internet speed, and you can see here the audio will add from starting to 2 minutes, and you can add two audio at a time here easily from start to end, and you can move the audio from one place to another place by moving the cursor. You can save, and you can also discard this change, and you can check these all audio are available here. And this is the add track to your library. Click on the heart icon. Heart icon is used for to click on it. It will add, the track will add into the your library. You can see here, click on that all track and then click on the heart option. This is the heart option, the name of the music, spring and my step. Check it. It is also, it will added and to your library, spring and my step. This is the audio name. Scroll down and you can add your library, and you can add your music and your library from your all track option. You can also delete your track from the library, your library option. Click on the heart option and then it will remove from here. Now come to the another option, end screen option. You can also, these all end screen. Click on the edit option. You can see here, this is the two video I added, best for viewer video and most recent uploaded video. You can see it will upload from during the uploading your video on your YouTube, and this choose specific video. This option is also available. Click on it and you can also choose the specific video from this option. You can add your video from these all video. Click on the big option and scroll down. You can see here video clip indicate and represent. You can see here all your video clip is available here. All your video written highlight will be available here. You can see here, these all are sentences which is described in your video. You can see, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching these all sentence. I use these all sentence in this one video. This is the summary, written summary, text summary of your video. You can check and you can copy, and you can also change your tones in your text and your audio from here. You can see here, play from here, start from here, end here, and you can apply these three options on this one option. Click on the big option So in short, in this video, I have explained to you how to apply and how to use the editor option. Editor option is very useful option after uploading your YouTube video on your YouTube channel. So if you upload your video on your YouTube channel and you don't use the blurred option on the sensitive area of your YouTube video on your YouTube video, then after the uploading, you can easily apply the blurred effect on your YouTube video. You can also apply the cut effect if you want to cut some part from your video which is not necessary. So you can easily edit your video from the editor option. Editor option is most important option. If you have any question about this one video, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.